Ali loved his football more than anything in the world. Every afternoon, he ran to the neighborhood playground, eager to practice his kicks and goals. But today, when he reached the gate, his heart sank. The park didn't look like a place for playing anymore. "Hey, Ali, over here," called his friend Zain. Zain was standing by the goalposts, waving his arms. Ali waved back, but he had to step carefully over a discarded pizza box and a pile of old newspapers just to get to the pitch. The game began, and Ali felt the excitement return. He dribbled the ball fast, his eyes locked on the goal. He was about to take a powerful shot when his foot caught on a crumpled soda can hidden deep in the tall grass. Ouch! Ali tumbled onto the ground with a loud thud. His knee stung, and his favorite shorts were stained with dirt and grime. Sammy rushed over from the sidelines to see if his friend was okay. "That can shouldn't have been there," Sammy said, looking worried. Ali stood up and looked around the playground. It wasn't just one can. There were wrappers, bottles, and bits of plastic everywhere. "We can't play like this," Ali told Zain. "It's not safe for us, and it's not fair to the park. It's supposed to be a place for everyone to enjoy." Ali decided he wasn't going to wait for someone else to fix the problem. He had a big idea. He ran all the way home and gathered a roll of heavy-duty trash bags and several pairs of bright yellow rubber gloves from the kitchen cupboard. When Ali returned to the park, he handed a pair of gloves to Sammy. "If we work together, we can make this playground shine again," Ali said with a smile. Sammy nodded eagerly and started by picking up a trail of plastic bottles near the swings. Zain joined in too, and soon the three friends were working like a professional team. They moved across the field, clearing away the clutter. Crinkle, pop, snap! The trash went into the bags, and the bright green grass began to show through once more. Other children at the park saw what Ali, Sammy, and Zain were doing. Inspired by their hard work, they all began to help. Sammy cheered as the very last rusty can was safely tucked away. The playground finally felt fresh, clean, and brand new. With the trash gone, the football game was better than it had ever been. "Remember," Ali told his friends as they took a break, "we have to take care of the places we love." They played until the sun began to set, safe and happy in their clean, green space.